Hello my loves. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with another wig review. Can you guess what color she is? I'm sure you can. Come on now guys, I'm the gray hair queen. I am going to name myself the gray hair queen right now. And I might throw in another pink or two wig if you guys didn't already see it in the roster, but it's either like pink or gray or dark gray. So anyway, I have this unit right here. This is the Bobbi Boss. We went back to Bobbi Boss. We're gonna try Bobbi Boss out. Let you pray that this is a good one. This is the MLF 301 Avery unit, and the shade is TT1B dark gray or Dgray. I do have one of their darker gray units, but I think it's called something else. So I'm gonna take her out of the package. She's a long straight unit. Not that I need another freaking long unit. Ooh, okay. Hold up, let me change batteries. She's actually, on my monitor, she looks darker than what my last two wigs that I reviewed. Look, okay, that looks weird. They're all different tones of gray. She's got fallout. She's gorgeous. She's a straight unit with a nice little curvature to it, like a nice, you know, whatever. Looks like she's a middle, no, she's a side part, thank God. All the last two wigs look kind of more better in the middle part. Well, not the last one. Anyway, she's got a nice soft lace. She has like a little semi C part or L part. Two combs in the side. I love me some Bobbi Boss wigs with combs and a comb in the back. Traditionally, they usually do have combs in the back. Every wig is built differently. Has the tracks. This one also has a similar scent to the Zuri Sis one. And again, I put lipstick on it. I'm going to leave the straps the way they are. And I'm going to go ahead, cut the lace, and figure her out. Oh, okay. Ma'am. We always look crazy when we ooh, wabba. Alright. Ooh, she's digging into my scalp. Oh, okay. Are we supposed to be like a deep side part? Not sure how I feel about this right now. I'm feeling some Aaliyah vibes with this. The Latina Aaliyah. The fat Latina Aaliyah. She's definitely in my face right now. Where's the card? What's she doing, boo-boo? So, I mean, she kind of has... Girl. Ciao. There we go. She was pretty effortless to throw on. Just straighten her out. I like these kind of straight units. Like, I don't like a straight unit. Like, it needs to have some shape to it. It needs to frame my face. I love units that have a little bit of shape. And, like, when it's wavy, you know, wave it away from the face. Like, I feel like some companies just don't. Right, my hair, my actual natural hair is getting pulled in the process. So, we're going to tuck you in, boo-boo. Alright, so I kind of want the part to not be so deep, but the ear tab right here is messing with me. And if you guys don't already know by now, I like to tuck in ear tabs because I'm a weirdo. And because it's comfortable. Oh yeah, oh that feels so much better. And because I wear a wig band, it really helps keep the unit in place. And I try to secure it using the back comb when I'm wearing the unit out and about in my day. Wow, do I like this unit a lot. No tangles yet, but I'm getting some shedding because I cut the lace. She's got this nice bang. It's not super layered. It's kind of like, you know, I just wanted bangs, long bangs, and I got them. Whatever. Let's do the part. Let's do the do. Let's fix the part. I'm just gonna add powder to it. I'm actually gonna be using my BH Pro Studio Pro powder. You can use any of your setting powder, a foundation powder if you like. I personally like powders because it keeps it a little bit more cleaner. Now the parting space on this, it's kind of tight. You guys can tell it's a little snug. I do love the shape that it's giving, like around my face is making me look slim. I wish it could just kind of take away my double chins, but she can't. Whatever, you know, superpowers are not existent here. I kind of like it in my face a little bit, because it still curves around my face. It just looks nice. Yeah, I pretty much did a cool tone dark charcoal, a neutral, which would be this unit right here, and then I did a warmer tone charcoal unit, which in the end they all kind of look the same on me. Clearly in natural lighting it will look different, but this one right here looks pretty, I don't want to say natural, but she kind of does, guys. I'm gonna tuck her behind the ear. Let me stop. I'm acting up today. I am acting a whole damn fool today, but she is so beautiful. Oh, let me show you guys the length to the titties, to the mammaries, and show you guys the back, which to me looks perfectly thin enough for me. So if you don't like, actually she has a good density, but just the way of the cut, let me make sure my shirt's pulled down, just the way of the cut, she looks good. I like the layering on it. Even if it's not that much layering, you just take a little bit to the front like so. I don't really have much to say about this unit. I think she's very well built. She feels very comfortable on my head, but she was already preset to some tighter notches with the wig straps. I'm sorry. The comb in the back feels very, very secure. I don't even use the combs in the front right now. I tucked in the side ear here so that I can shift the wig not as a deep right-sided part, but as a kind of deep, but not too deep, because it literally would take me like right here, and that's to me a little too much right now, because it'll be just more in my face. I work where I'm always on the phone, always answering phones, always doing movements, so the less in my face the better. I'm not complaining though. This feels really beautiful. It's so soft. Let me know down below what you guys think of this unit right here. I'll try to find it and leave a link down below. But anyway guys, that's pretty much it for my review on the Bobbi Boss units, the MLF 301 Avery units in the shade TT1B Dgray. I'm gonna need to have a conversation with Bobbi Boss, because I didn't know they was thinking about me when they made this unit. So thank you guys for the, you know, for the love. It'd be nice if, I would love to create a unit with Bobbi Boss. I would love to create a wig with anyone. Collaborate somehow. Anyway guys, that's pretty much it for my review on this unit. I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your peoples that can handle all this fluffiness. Yeah, we're trying to get to like 30-40K this year. You think we could do that? You think y'all can help me, help you, help me? Please help me. Anyway guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next hot mess. Okay? Thank you guys. Bye.